Hello students, today's topic is liquidity trap and crowding out. Here we have two axes. On the horizontal axis we have taken income or output, and on the vertical axis we have taken interest rate. This is downward sloping IS schedule and this is horizontal LM curve. As we are discussing the case of liquidity trap, and we know in this case LM curve is horizontal. Equilibrium will be achieved at point E. Equilibrium interest rate is OY0 and equilibrium output level is OY0. Now suppose that government uses expansionary fiscal policy. In that case, IS curve will be shifted rightwards to IS dash. New equilibrium will be achieved at point E dash and new equilibrium output level will be OY dash. In this case, increase in government expenditure led to increase in output level. As you can see in the figure, output level has been increased from OY0 to OY dash, and the increase in output level is this one, that is Y0 Y dash. There has been no increase in interest rate, that means change in I equals to 0. As you can see, when the government uses expansionary fiscal policy, in this case, interest rate remains same at OI0. That means there will be no decrease in investment level and finally no decrease in output level. This is the case of no crowding out. There is no change in the interest rate associated with the change in government spending, and thus no investment spending is cut off. There is therefore no dampening of the effects of increased government spending on income. An increase in government spending has a maximal effect on the equilibrium level of income. Thank you.